Hey guys, welcome here. In this lecture we'll work on a navigation between pages. So let's start. Open your coding editors. And first I will recapitulate what we did in previous lectures. We initialized our Next.js project, we created first pages, and we explained difference between functional component and class component. We created the render function in class component and we returned some JSX. In this lecture, we'll create more pages, and this will be first assignment for you, so let's check it out. So create a portfolios, blocks, and a CV page. Make all of these pages class components, and return just simple text. I am blocks page, I am CV page, and so on. So create a class component, same as an index page here, and use a render function. So implement the render function and return some JSX. Okay, go ahead, you can stop your videos and you can start working on it. And I will work on it right now. Okay, so first let's create a new file. Let's call it portfolios.js. Alright, so new file again. This will be blocks.js. And the last one, new file, and this will be cv.js. So nothing new, I'm creating just new files. And now I will copy code from our about page. So I will copy everything and let's go one by one. So first one, blocks page, let's paste it here and let's rename it for blocks. Perfect, I am blocks page, export default, blocks. Perfect. Copy everything, let's go to CV page, now CV, export default CV, I am CV page. Perfect. And the last one, portfolios page, so let's copy it here. Let's rename it for portfolios. Portfolios like this. Let's copy this name, export default, portfolios. I am portfolios page. Amazing. We can save everything. And let's go to our terminals. Make sure your development server is running. And I hope you have been successful with your homework. There was nothing new. Okay, let's go to our browsers. And let's see our localhost 3000 and let's go to /blocks. I am blocks page. Perfect. Now I want to create navigation on our index page. So I want to create here links to our blocks page, about page, and so on. So what you would do in HTML? In HTML you would create href, a element. So let's do it. Let's go back to our coding editors and let's go to our index page. So we'll create here new a elements, but first I need to tell you that if you want to use some elements here, let's say I want to write here a element like this, and let's write here blocks, for example, I will get error now. Let's go back to our browsers. You will see I am getting error. Because when I'm writing JSX, I need to wrap it inside of some container element, so inside of a parent element. It can be div element like this. So I'll wrap it inside of a div. So now I have one parent, now container element. I will save it, I shouldn't get any error. Or you can use React Fragment. So you can use React.fragment. All right, React Fragment, and here let's save everything, let's go back. And it's working as it was before. Amazing. So what is the difference between a div and React Fragment? When you write React Fragment, you will not see this element inside of your DOM. So when I will inspect page, I can inspect here blocks. You see there is no container element React Fragment. When I go back, I will change it back for a div like this. Let's save it. Let's go back to our browsers. Alright, and now you can see here I have this div element here, wrapping my IAM index page and blocks. Okay, so we can leave it as it is here, we can leave div for now, and we can go back to our coding editors. Now I want to create here navigations. So let's go to our index.js, we can create more of these elements, but first I will write here href. So href, and I want to navigate here to /blocks, because I want to navigate to my blocks page. Okay, let's copy this and let's paste it 4 more times. So like this. Perfect. And let's write here portfolios. So portfolios like this, and I want to navigate to portfolios, and text will be portfolios, or just portfolio, and here will be just a block. Okay. Now I want to navigate to /about. This will be about page, perfect. And I have one more, so CV. This will be CV page like this, and I want to navigate also back to my index page, so I will create a first page as an index page, just a slash because this is an empty route. And let's go to home page like this. Perfect. Let's verify all of our paths here. Maybe I can change order, so about page will be before our blog page like this, and portfolio will be before our blog page as well, like this. Perfect. Let's save everything and let's go back to our browsers. And now I have here these 5 links here. So when I click here, let's say about page, I am going to /about, and I'm about page here, you can see. Now let's go to portfolio, /portfolios, I'm on portfolios page. Same with the blocks, and same with the CV. When I will click my home page, I'm not going anywhere because this is an empty path, as I told you, and I'm staying on the same page. Okay, so this is a basic navigation between the pages, but we are making application in a framework Next.js, and the navigation between pages can be done in a nicer way. Because this should be single page application, we need to do it single page. And I will tell you what is the difference between single page application and a multi-page application, and how to make a navigation for a single page in the next lecture. So guys, see you there.